Well, hello guys, and today I'll be reviewing this. This is a IKEA Lillabo toy car set which includes a speeding sports car, what looks like a cop car and totally unrelated to the both of these. Bulldozer, I guess, probably made by JCB. That yellow color tells it a lot. So yeah, if we turn over here, we got 3 bases and we got the parts to assemble on the bases. We got some random barcode and some random numbers. It says for over 18 months. So if you're 18 months old, unfortunately you can't play with this. Here we got kind of a manual, I guess. We have to peel this out. Here I think we have to peel this too out to read it. So I'll not do that. So this is just a normal manual. So let's get to opening the box. Here we got some tape right here and on the other side too. So I'll just open the box and plop that aside. So now let's take out this. We'll set that aside, and the cop car and the bulldozer. So getting to the cars. So these are like, I'll just set that aside for now. These are like removable, just like the other Lillabo set which I'll just get. I've got them over here. So yeah, this is a smaller set for the trains which I already did a video on. These are removable, all of them are, but what these don't have are magnets. These have magnets so that you can attach it. So I'll just set this set aside, and yeah, let's assemble this back. Okay, that's wrong. So yeah, getting on to the cop car. This is also a cabin, as you could see, and every car in this set has removable cabins or frames, I guess. This is the back part of the cop car. So yeah, I'll just set that aside. I'll get the JCB right here. So yeah, this has 3 removable parts. One is the cabin and one is the excavator part, I guess, and one is the like dump truck part. I'll just set it back on just like that, and you can pretty easily identify the bases. As you could see, this is the JCB, it has a black base. This is the cop car, it has a blue base, and this is the sports car which has a red base. So yeah, what I like to do with the JCB here is I'll just take out all this and I'll keep this, take one of this from the other vehicles, and yeah, I like to do that. A pretty weird vehicle, I guess. So I'll just assemble this back on. Yeah, these are pretty hard to get out because they have a pretty tight fitting. So yeah, I'll just set all that aside, and the 3 cars that I said go with this set over here, which I have already reviewed from the box. There are a lot of parts, as you could see, and this set comes with its own set of vehicles. I mean, not a set, it only has one. Wooden boards as the walls, and we finally got the floor. So I guess let's start assembling. So first we'll assemble this. You want to look for the curved part right here which aligns with the front, and we got this towing part. So yeah, this is basically just a tow truck. I'll set it with all the other vehicles. So yeah, this is one of the walls, and these are the 2 side walls for the 2 rooms or garages, and we got this fuel pump station, I guess. put that in there and that in there. So I'll just put on the roof right here. Okay.
2,000 years later.
So yeah, there we go, finally it fit. So now we can just turn this around and put that there. So these two doors you can put in any order you want. Yep, like that, because the top has like an overhang, I guess. That's what you say. I guess I'll just put this aside for a second now. Get back to the vehicle. So yeah, this is the tow truck, as you could see, which came with the set I just assembled. And so a cool feature about this is, as you could see, there are 3 holes. These 2 are for the, let's set these 2 aside. These 2 are for the screws holding this all together, and this is for, believe it or not, this is for this. So yeah, you can actually tow these with this, as you could see. Yeah, it's not even fake. There is literal gap in middle. So yeah, not only with the cop car, you can do it with the sports car or the bulldozer. I guess I don't know how this works, because that, so you have to put that up and that in there, the hole. So yeah, the bulldozer kind of pulls this down sometimes because it's a little heavier than the other 2 cars. I'll just show you how these cars go with the set I just assembled. Here's the set. Yeah, the tow truck goes right here, and all the other 3 cars can just roll up there. And this bulldozer, not really much space for it, so yeah. And if there is a repair, if you want to imagine that, you can just send something in there. And if it needs washing, probably the bulldozer, you can just put it in there. It's pretty far in there, as you could see, very deep. So yeah, there is storage space for 6 to 7 cars in this. So if you want to buy an extra set of these, yeah, you can just fit it in here.